Hey guys, this is Kate from Apify. Today we're going to show you how to integrate an actor with your GitHub repository so that you can automatically get an issue created when a run fails. Let's get right to it. From your Apify console, go to the Actors tab and choose your actor that you want to integrate with. Go to the Integrations tab. Choose GitHub from the list of integrations, then click Configure. Choose the account, and then simply choose the repository. Now choose a title for the issue that will be created. We're going to use the example on this template, which will show the actor run ID and that it failed. You can choose to write a description for when the issue will be created. For this tutorial, we'll write, "This issue was automatically created by Apify." Click Save. It will be saved, and we can enable the integration. Click Yes. Now, to ensure that it works, we'll go back and run the actor. Click on Source and Start. We've purposefully chosen a repository with a few errors in it so that we can demonstrate that the integration will work when an actor fails. We're running the actor, and it was failed. We'll go back to our GitHub, and here we have one issue created under the Issues tab. When we click on it, this is the Apify run with the run ID. And here's our description. This issue was automatically created by Apify. There you have it. The integration works, and we automatically have an issue created in our GitHub account. Now we know when there's an issue with our actor, and we also have it open for the community to comment in case they might be able to help us solve the issue. That's it for this tutorial. If you want to learn about other integrations, click on this card to take you to the integrations playlist. Also, if you want to keep up with future videos, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for further content on web scraping with Apify. So long, and thanks for all the likes.